It's lovely.
The best car I ever rode.
Leapers, it's sharp.
Better get in the act there, little fella. Everybody's crazy about that great car, the new Plymouth. Isn't she a beauty? An American beauty. Packed with value and ready to prove it. Any way you look at her, she sparkles with features. That rear window, for instance. Glass area increased 32%. And inside, lots of room. Headroom, legroom, elbow room. And that Plymouth engine, 97 horsepower, 7-to-1 compression ratio. But see for yourself, the new Plymouth, now more than ever the car that likes to be compared. Arrange for your demonstration drive.